Commander, orbital sensors have located a powerful Tyranid target. This creature of the zoanthrope genus exists to channel the psychic might of the hive mind. Victory here will help us on all fronts, Commander. We will push the infesting swarm back a step, gaining us precious time. We will also gain valuable information that could help us locate a primary hive.
May. This beast must die today.
We know the stakes, Tarkus. The time for proclamations is long past.
Assault squad, ready to deploy. Engage jump. Tyranid assault! Tyranid killed. It is done. Move on. Redeploy. Under attack. Another enemy crushed. Follow me, brothers. Tyranid assault! It is done. Move on. Reposition.
Target killed.
Fire on that target. I understand its importance. Tyranids are attacking!
Concentrate fire. Habitats under attack. Priority target. Drive forward.
It is done. Move on.
Base formation. Habitats formation. Under attack.
Field generators are deploying now, Commander. Additional generators will not be available until your next deployment.
It is done. Move on.
Direct our wrath. Target killed. Habitus under attack.
Aerial assault. Go. It is done. Move on.
Tactical
hostiles.
Tyranid assault!
I can feel the thing scratching at my mind. Steel yourselves in advance.
A great victory, Commander. Our librarians report the Hive Fleet shuddered and screamed when you dealt the killing blow. And we are even closer to obtaining the biotoxin we need to execute our plan of attack.
This zoanthrope was frustratingly close to giving us a pure genetic sample, but it has undergone small mutations. We did gather valuable data, though, and we are getting close to isolating the primary hive's genetic template.
Why must we find a primary hive?
Tyranids mutate rapidly, Sergeant. This is what makes them such deadly opponents. They are constantly evolving to counter our weaponry. A primary hive contains the original genetic template for a hive fleet. If you can find that, you can predict several generations of mutations.
Yes, finding a primary hive will allow us to develop a poison that will kill all Tyranid variants quickly. They will not have time to adapt a resistance.